Hi everyone. Today is a really special unboxing. I've just received my Think Loud for Parkinson's album all the way from the UK. And I'm so excited. As you can see, the package looks really great for traveling across the pond from the UK to the US. This album isn't just a collection of songs. It's a passion project created by Kindred Spirit, a collective of musicians and artists who came together to support the search for a cure for Parkinson's disease. Every purchase, including this one, goes directly to support Cure Parkinson's, a UK charity funding vital research to find a cure. For me, this album is especially meaningful. The single, Think Loud, that you're hearing as we're doing this unboxing was written by Ian Grant. Ian is a person with Parkinson's and a veteran of the music industry. He received LSVT Loud speech therapy from Pitt Steers, his LSVT Loud certified speech clinician, and was inspired by the changes in his communication and that phrase, think loud, that he wrote the song. That song has grown from a single to a whole album, Think Loud for Parkinson's. So now for the fun part. Let's open it up. And here it comes. Voila! Think Loud for Parkinson's. Let's take a look at the artwork. Not only does it capture the spirit of Think Loud and what it does to the brain and to the voice, it was actually designed by Ian's grandson, Josh. If we open it up, we see some beautiful, inspiring images related to the production and the collaborators. We have 2 full vinyls with all of the songs. You also get a CD. So if you don't have vinyl, no problem. You're going to get a beautiful product, but you still have a way to play the music. In addition, there's a wonderful insert that talks about the story behind the song Think Loud, the collaborations, all of the wonderful musicians who gave their time and effort and energy to produce this album. And of course, the lyrics for the title song, Think Loud. So there we have it, Think Loud for Parkinson's. As a reminder, every penny from this album goes to Cure Parkinson's. That means your support helps fund research and bring us closer to a cure. It's music with a mission. So whether you're a music lover, you know somebody affected with Parkinson's, or you just want to support a great cause, I highly recommend buy the album Think Loud for Parkinson's. Let's raise our voices for Parkinson's awareness and research. Thanks for watching. Buy your album today.